Most Gold IRA companies advertise no fees, but that doesn't always mean the total cost is zero. One of the biggest hidden costs is the spread. It's the difference between what you pay to buy gold and what you get when you sell it back. Let's just say you buy gold at $2,100 per ounce, but the company's buyback rate is only $1,800. That $300 difference, that's the money you lose. And many people don't even realize it. Most companies don't list their spreads up front, so this fee can catch you off guard. That's why it helps to use a checklist that breaks down where hidden fees show up, so you're not blindsided later. There's a free company comparison checklist that shows you exactly what to look for. You'll find the link to download it in the description. It's one of the smartest ways to avoid costly surprises. Grab the checklist below. The link is in the description.